Hello, good people, and journey with us on our first trip to Costa Maya, Mexico. We are on a cruise excursion coming off of Royal Caribbean's Harmony of the Seas out of Galveston, Texas. It's a 7-day cruise, and our first port of call is Costa Maya. We've never been before. We are on a private tour with the Native Choice Tours. This is the tour to the Chacchoben ruins, and then a follow-up Mexican experience with a family doing some cooking. So what you see here is just our ride to Chacchoben, where we'll experience the ruins, and then we will head to our cooking experience. So this is just giving you some idea of what life is like in Costa Maya, Mexico. It is a small fishing village that now has ports of call. Here we're walking into the cooking experience. So you can see the flowers and the different arrangements that they have. There's a good history here that our tour guide gave us. Thankfully, they are native to the area. It was wonderful to be able to see pictures of them at the ruins as they were being excavated. So right here you have a cooking hut, and we are going to be making some tortillas, and then we're going to make a nice dip, and then we're going to have lunch. So you can see the instructor is giving us the opportunity to learn more about how they make corn tortillas, and we each get our opportunity to try it for ourselves. So just take a look. Now that they have helped us fix our tortillas, we're going to hand them off, and they're going to be put on the open fire, and they're going to be cooked. We're going to get an opportunity to taste them, and then also get an opportunity to sample some, excuse me if I'm pronouncing this wrong, Chacchoben, which is there in that dish there. It is, he said, roasted squash seed. When I look up recipes now, it says roasted pumpkin seeds, but it's like the guacamole in the Yucatan. And there's no avocados, that's ridiculous. So you pretty much make it just like you would guacamole. And here he was showing us some additional spices and how they were used.
These people make it with sour orange or tangerine juice. They marinate with seaweed
Now we are setting up for lunch, which was a traditional meal. It also included white rice, which they explained was more of an Asian dish that was brought over to the peninsula, and they only really serve white rice to guests. So this experience is more about what you would experience in a traditional home when you come in as an outsider and as a guest to the area. The food was great. We had a fantastic time. Highly recommend.